guys, welcome to Check Out the Riley. I want to show you something. You might be surprised. Here in the farm, we are very serious of taking off the mosquito. See this one? This is a Gemelina tree. Yeah. Don't know how Manong can take this, but look, he don't have a mosquito net, so he had to put some smoke inside his room. Can you believe that? He's really serious. I don't really know what else is in there, but believe it's just a Gemelina, not a weeds. Yeah. Here's the dog too. Okay guys, a new way of getting rid of a mosquito. Leave a comment below. Thank you guys for watching. Pero sakit sa mata ba, no?
Sakit. Pero gibantar na ko kaya wala ng asawa. Wala na. Nanapon. Bantin kong malamok. Ay, lugan eh. Gawas naman ako nito.
Tapos?
Palukot ako nito ano? Malong.
Dugay nakadabalay moskitero?
Bagora po ko nagkakuha ng mosquito itong mosquito nila ni Tonton. Gamit. Di karoon kayong kauban ko kay kulat isa ka mosquito. Agida, ikuha ng ato pang isa ka aglag. Kuha. Yan kagama ng mga mukha. Isa pa na. Dahil na. Magwalta pa man.
He is serious of keeping out the mosquito in his room. I think he put some weeds there too. What do you think? Sabi ko sa asawa ko ba, sabi ko na, si Manong ano sa loob. Sabi niya, sige i-video mo man. Yeah, so you guys see that? This is to take off the mosquito inside his room. So he's very serious of taking it off. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a comment. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and like this video. Watch out for our next adventure here in the farm. Give us a comment below if you have any suggestions and stuff. Hasta la vista.